The second day of International Media Conference is being held in Karachi, which discussed key world issues and media strategic proximity and other contemporary issues. Our correspondent Mohammad Zubairuddin from Karachi gives us more on that. Let's have a look.
At the opening session of second day International Media Conference, panelists from UK, USA, Italy and Pakistani journalists emphasized that responsibilities of media in key world issues have further deepened as none of a country can progress in isolation and the whole world facing health and education issues. But in developing countries, these are rather need of the hour for media to raise these issues for the betterment of the whole society.
I'm from, I have been living in Italy since 2000, but I'm from Belgrade, Serbia, and with regards to this, I know what it is to be part of the country which is seen by the other media full of bias. So I think it's important to be on the ground in order to judge anything. I'm not able to judge or to have any kind of an impression. I can just say that I'm led by the curiosity, which is the bread of the journalistic job, so you can't do otherwise. On the other hand, with regards to the conference, we started with a very broad subject, like the key issues, key topics in the media. So I think it is very important to tackle the general issues with regards to the survival of the journalistic job, as a profession all over the world, and it is pretty much important to tackle it in such a complex ground.
The media in Pakistan is quite robust, despite the fact that there are changes. The changes, some of them are maybe negative, but on the whole, it keeps the citizens of Pakistan very well up to date, with news. It's a very general kind of description, but the core, I think, is quite good. And the conference being here put Karachi really somewhere on the spotlight, that we are discussing things. And we're not just discussing things about Pakistan. We're discussing global trends, things that are happening everywhere. And they will have an impact on Pakistan. So in that sense, I think the program, and we only went through the first session, looks very, very promising.
I think the most important thing is that we have so many delegates coming to Pakistan, to a place in Karachi where they're talking about their experiences. So that's one big achievement. When they come to Pakistan, they see for themselves how things are. And most of them go back, are very impressed. They say that things are not how we saw them to be. That's one. The second thing is that in terms of our profession, the Pakistani media is very advanced. It's very developed in terms of its technology, in terms of practices. So we share these with people around the region, with people who come from all over the world. And they take back these things. We also share their experiences. And when they give us their experiences, it's also enriching for us. So in that sense, this conference is very important for the media in Pakistan.
While discussing strategic proximity, media laws and code of conduct, future of print media and scope of digital media, journalists from Canada, France, Austria and Pakistan were of the view that common man story is missing in today's journalism, and this has affected the society adversely. While highlighting common issues, good and healthy society across the globe may be formulated.
This is just a beginning. This is just a foundation. And if a foundation brick is laid properly, and with an honesty, with a commitment to deliver for the future generations, I have no doubt that this will become an institution for tomorrow, for our generations to come to serve.
After a long time that we are holding an international conference on the media in Pakistan. And it's also very important for Karachi, because Karachi is the economic lifeline of Pakistan. And I'm very happy that we have journalists from 42 countries here. We just had the first session, and we are going to have several sessions over the next 3 days. So I believe that these are going to be very useful for promoting Pakistan's image.
Discussing contemporary issues, journalists elaborated that commercialism and corporate culture, both in electronic and print media, have shrouds real issues, while there is a need for journalists to constructively engage with research, facts, and file stories with honesty and without prejudice. Journalists from 36 countries are participating in media conference and termed their visit to Pakistan very pleasant and memorable. In 3 days international conference, issues related to globalization's fast and furious technology, as well as the role of media in the presence of social media, widely discussed, but it also covered the area of authenticity, ethics, and values. Mohammad Zubairuddin, PTV World, Karachi.